Hi, this is Jim from PyDog Software. I'm going to do a little demo today for you of SimpleKeys. First thing, we've got our SimpleKeys window open, and to create a new shortcut we're going to click the plus button here, and I'm just going to call this one Safari. So we're going to open up a form in Safari and fill it out. Fairly simple, but for our key combo we're going to hit select. I'm just going to use F1 for this. Click OK. You can also include the shortcut in your SimpleKeys dock menu or in the menu bar next to your clock and stuff if you want to set that in the preferences. Click done, and it'll ask you what kind of action you want to add. First thing we're going to do is open up a URL, and I've got a form on my desktop. I'm just going to paste the URL of that form in here on my desktop. Next thing we're going to do, well, let's give it a try here, show you. We'll hit click away from SimpleKeys to activate the shortcuts. We don't have them active while SimpleKeys is in front to avoid conflicts. If you're trying to set something else up, you don't want to have it typing a bunch of stuff for you. So hit F1, and there is our form. Opens up, and once we've opened the form, we'll add another shortcut, and we're going to pause to allow the form a moment to load. We'll give it like 3 seconds. Depends on your internet connection and what web page you're loading and whatnot. So next thing we'll do is type a tab key. It's going to ask us type text. We want type key combo. And we'll hit tab. OK. And then let's type some more text. This time we'll actually type a word. And that will, when you do a type text like that, it will simulate keystrokes to generate the text that you've input. And key combo, you can specify one key or one combination of keys at a time. And the other option you've got here, you can paste text, and when you do that, you're actually going to be putting the text you enter here onto the clipboard. Then it'll hit Command V to paste, and then it'll put whatever was previously on your clipboard back on your clipboard for you. And on a regular web form, we would want to do a hit an enter key to submit the form. So oops, let's select key combo, done. So now when we hit our F1, opens the page, waits 3 seconds, tabs into the field, tabs into the next field, and then it hits enter and submits our form. That's a fairly simple example of using SimpleKeys to set up a process. There's lots of other options that you can use here. We've got different types of actions. We've got launch a file, where you can specify a file and an application to use to open it. You can open up an application. Use SimpleKeys as an app launcher. You can execute Apple scripts if you do a little research on the web. There's lots of examples and how-to sites on that. Open a URL, execute a shell script, which you might use to you know, do various Unix commands on the command line. And you can also, when you do that, you can set it to display the result. So you can do something like date, boom, you get the date. So that's it for today. Hope that's helpful, and we'll see you next time.